Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can unlock your POCO C85 without password. Okay, but before we begin, we need to discuss a few things. First thing is that please try to only unlock your device, in no other case someone else's, because that might be considered as a crime and that's also unethical, so have that in mind. Next thing is that we will have to perform a factory reset using the recovery mode, and because of that, that we have to perform a factory reset, we will lose all of our data. That's the only way to unlock the device. We've been using this method on our channel for a long time, and it has always worked, but we also need to remember about another one thing, is that when we reset this device and when we get into the setup process, the phone will want us to type the password before the factory reset, so the current password that is set, or it will want us to log into the Google account on which we were logged in before the reset that we are about to perform. If you don't remember that Google account, you will have to perform a bypass this Google verification. On our channel there are also videos how to do it, so that's for people who that's information for people who don't remember into which Google account they were logged in before on their locked phone. Also, if you don't want to lose all of your data, you can always try to go into the authorized center with the proof of purchase and there look for help. Now let me show you how to perform this factory reset. So you can see that device is locked. We cannot remember our password, so we need to power off our device. Click power button and volume up button and select power off. Now to enter the recovery mode, we need to use the two button combination. We need to hold the power button and volume up button at the same time, and when the POCO logo appears on the screen, we need to release the finger from the power button, but we need to keep holding volume up. So start by holding both of the buttons. When phone vibrates and the POCO logo appears, release the finger from the power button, but keep holding volume up. Okay, now using the volume keys, we need to select wipe data, click the power button to confirm the selected option, again select wipe all data. In here it's the last moment to stop. If you don't want to lose all of your data, click the power button. Now click on confirm. Now the process has started, so we need to wait a little until it's finished. It shouldn't take long, but we need to wait a little. Okay, data wiped successfully. Click the power button to confirm. Now select the reboot. Click power button. Now reboot to system. And now we need to wait until our phone turns on. And the next thing that we need to do is to set up our device. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.